guys, let's make a wedding cake from start to finish. So I start with Fat Daddios baking pans. They're my absolute favorite. They bake evenly and nice and flat. I'm lining them with ZenLogy parchment paper. These are pre-cut to the exact size of your pan. And I'm adding a homemade cake release, aka Cake Goop. It's just equal parts flour, shortening, and oil, and mix them up really good and put them in your pan. Your cakes come out really easily once you add this cake release. This is my red velvet cake batter. Sorry guys, I do not give out my recipe, but you can Google one or you can just use a box mix. So I'm just adding all of the batter to my pans, cleaning it up, made a little bit of mess there. You might be wondering what those flour nails are doing in those bigger pans, and that's just a heat core. It just makes the heat distribute evenly so that the cakes bake evenly, come out nice. This is what they look like when they're baked. The tops are not pretty, but you just cut those off and the cake still comes out perfect. Right now I'm adding a dam of American buttercream before I fill it with my cream cheese buttercream. And the reason why we do this is that sometimes your fillings are a little bit looser than your regular vanilla buttercream, the kind that you use to ice your cake. So we just do this so that nothing comes out the sides and everything is nice and even when you go to stack it. I'm just going over this with an offset spatula just to smooth it out. And since it is a semi-naked wedding cake, I'm only adding a really thin layer of buttercream on the outside. You still want to be able to see those cake layers. And then after I get them all iced, I make sure that it's nice and level before I pop this in the fridge. I put them in the fridge for about 20 minutes or so. And then that was the 10-inch, and now I moved on to the 8-inch. So same exact thing as before. Your dam of American buttercream, mine's just vanilla, and then my filling is cream cheese buttercream, just stacked with my red velvet cake layers. Each one has 4 layers of cake and 3 layers of filling. Just going over it with a nice little tiny coat of buttercream, and I smooth it out with the smooth cake comb from Esther Cakes. I will put the link in the description. And once all of your cakes are filled and leveled, pop them in the fridge. Make sure all of them are nice and cold before you move on to stacking. And once you're ready to stack, you're going to put some support. You need to have a support in each tier that's supporting a cake above it. So let's start with the 10-inch. The 10-inch is the bottom tier, and I'm going to put in 6 of these thick boba straws. They act as the same as dowels, and then you just add a little tiny layer of buttercream before you add your next cake. So the bottom tier has 6 and the middle tier has 4 of these boba straws, and it just supports the cake on top. So your top tier does not need to have any support since it's not supporting another cake tier on top unless you have a really heavy cake topper. I'm adding some edible gold leaf from Simple Sweets. This one's much easier to add to your cake than the ones that come on the sheets. And this is what the cake looks like once I set it up at the venue. I'm gonna zoom in on the cake there so you can see. I added fresh flowers at the venue, and all the flowers have been wrapped with floral tape to protect your cake. And this is how she came out. Isn't she pretty? Hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to like and subscribe.